How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available for you problem. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In that video, we can fix the problem if you have also facing the Facebook Marketplace isn't available for you. So keep watch and do not forget to like or subscribe my YouTube channel. So what is the method? So first method simply you need to go to Play Store and that Play Store you need to search here Facebook and search Lite. Okay, so you need to install Facebook Lite application. If you have already, then skip this step. And if you don't have, so install firstly this application. Now, after the installing, go to Facebook Lite and simply create an account or log in your account before already you have account. So after that, you need to go to click on this last option up there. Here is the marketplace option on the bottom or upper side. So click on here and you can see marketplace here. Without any setting you have done, you just need to check. You can see here. So this is a very easy or simple steps. Do not forget to like or subscribe our channel for more videos.